Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 24th to July the 27th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. So, Cancer, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babay Lang TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Pero kung hindi niyo naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po. No? So, Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo. So ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang medyo nagkakabalikan, no? Sabihin natin meron ng separations. It doesn't matter how long the separation is. Pwedeng kahapon lang, pwedeng centuries ago. Centuries talaga. Pwedeng what have you, it doesn't matter. Pero parang nandito yung walking down memory lane, no? Parang pinupush tayong balikan, no? Or kagatin itong pain, no? Kasi parang pinapakita ni person dito na meron siya uling interest sa atin. Somehow, no, ang pagiging marupok ni Cancer, ayan, ang pagiging emotional ni Cancer, ayan tayo, nakagat, no, kumbaga, nalambat tayo. Siguro humihingi ito ng tulong sa atin, pilit man nating tinitikis itong taong to. Hindi natin nagawa. I'm seeing angel number 222, no? Dahil na rin siguro sa at one point in time, no, minahal natin talaga yung tao. At one point in time, pinasaya din naman tayo ng tao. And parang na-miss nyo rin yung warmth ng tao. Na-miss yung warmth ng tao, whether it is literally the warmth or yung pagkalinga, ano. You know what I mean? With the Four of Swords, the King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. So, ano to, high school? Bumabalik tayo sa crush. Kumbaga yung kilig-kilig, no? Well, masarap naman talagang kiligin, no? Masarap naman talagang minsan maramdaman natin na may nagki-care sa atin, no? Sabihin natin merong pause sa connection, ayun na lang. Kasi parang dito, medyo niluluto nyo yung, sige, ipagpatuloy natin. Or, hindi mo pa man sinasabi, no? Dali, yung OC in me is, may pagka-OC tayo, Cancer, ha? Ayan. Kasi the OC in me, hindi ko talaga din matiis, no? Meron ditong energy na hindi ko matiis, na hindi ko galawin, hindi ko matiis na hindi siya pansinin, no? Well, probably yung iba, no, dun sa mga meron na talagang nangyari, which is experience with the person. Sabihin nating hindi natin natiis. I think na meron talaga din mangyayari ditong intimate moments. Or nangyari na. You're gonna get laid for those of you na nandito yung init na nararamdaman, hindi porket malamig, no? With the Queen of Cups, the Magician, inantay din naman. Ito din naman kasi ang maganda kay Cancer, no? When Cancer place their intentions to, let's say, hindi na ako uli magmamahal, no? Sabihin natin. When Cancer said, this is my last relationship, hindi man niya mapanindigan, pero yung haba ng panahon, probably we can say na it's the right amount of time, no? Para sabihin na hindi naman nagloko, no? Si Cancer. Hindi naman siya paano mo pa masasabi nagloko kung nagkaroon na ng, well, it's a pause. Somewhat, di ba? The pause is somewhat a separation na rin. Kung nawalan tayo ng connection at nawala yung, kumbaga naputol yung string, no? Parang tinatali na lang natin to uli. Pero yung celibacy, wow. Nasa intimate moments tayo talaga, Cancer. I'm gonna run this really quick, no? Papaspasan ko to. And then let's move forward dun sa celibacy na yan. Inantay, no? So ngayon, medyo na-miss nga natin itong init ng katawan, no, ng person natin. Eh di, why not? For old time's sake, no? So, moving forward, dun naman sa mga wala pa mang nangyayari, no? Hinahanap mo lang dito yung siguro mga sweetness ni person. Kasi siya yung last. And para kasing siya yung nanakit, siya din yung gagamot, no? Hirap tayong makalimutan si person. Or hirap din siya, no? Hindi man natin sinasabi sa isa't isa, mirrored energy naman pala ito. Pero, ayaw mong ikaw yung mauuna. Gusto mo, parang, na trauma. Okay. Cancer na trauma to. Nga. Kasi nagkaroon, let's say, nag-assume tayo before, and then, we give our all, tapos bigla nating malalaman na, friends lang pala tayo, or, parang na friend zone tayo. So ngayon, parang, kesa masaktan ako, no, ibabalik, hindi na ako magiging katulad dati na, sobra-sobra yung binibigay ko. Ano yung pinakita mo sa akin, susuklian ko lang, no? So kung 40% yung binigay mo sa akin, gustuhin ko man lagpasan, pero natuto na rin ako, no? So 40% lang din ibibigay ko, or somewhat close to that, no? With the 10 of Wands, the Death card, and the So eto na, the Empress and the Emperor, plus the Death card all. So which means that Death card is not all. This is a misinterpretation of people who just don't know and understand the tarot, no? Kasi the Death card is not literally mean death. It also means revival. It also means second chances. It also means rebirth. So there is really a rebirth and this past connection. Mga talandi, di ba? Kasi Cancer, sa bagay, inantay din naman. I dream about you at night. So eto na, no? Baka palagi naman tayong nag-aanuhan na naman sa gabi. Nag-uusap sa gabi, no? So nagsimula na naman tayo sa pagpupuyat. I wish we could be together but it's complicated. So ayan na nga tayo. Well, for a few numbers of you, wala naman ako nakikita dito or probably yung small percentage may third party, no? Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating kung kailan meron na? Or, what I am seeing in here is, it's complicated for now kasi hindi ko mabigay, no? Itong emotion na gusto ko rin namang ipakita sa'yo. It's because of the trauma that I encountered or experienced with you, no? So, Cancer, that is your reading. Kinikilig. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Aries, Taurus, Leo, ayan. Baka kapwa Cancer, no? Virgo, Pisces, yan. So, yan ang iyong reading, no? Cancer. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't, or Pisces, sorry. Yeah, Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are complete, no? So the water signs. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, subscribe po kayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that's Babaylan TV. Doon din po ako nagla-live. Kung di nyo naabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung link ng aking website. So click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form, nandun yung amount, how much per question, yung QR codes, no, the number, the name that you can compare for reference. Kapag hindi po yun yung numbers nung kumakausap sa inyo, no, hindi po ako yon. So mag-ingat-ingat tayo, dun lang po ako magta-transact. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price, no? And for those of you, Cancer, na wanted to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box, no? Tuloy ang manhunt. So, nandun po, dalawa na naman siya, no? Nagapida natin yung isa, meron na naman bago. So, you can report the fake accounts and email it for, sabihin natin, an entry for the raffle sa ating free free personal reading. Ayan. So, Cancer, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.